count to 10 backward. Uncle said. But it doesn't work. Quadang. So, Grandma must wake up. Grandma. All the animal is sleeping. But just Daddy Giraffe has the hiccups. Grandma says, I can cure the hiccups. Grandma says, stand on your ears and eat the grass. And eat the grass. Grandma says. And it doesn't work. Hiccups. Grandpa wake up. I can cure the hiccup. Stand on your head and eat the and count to 20 backward. Count to 20 backward. But it doesn't work.